Hello, this is our 15-inch Sunlight Readable LCD kit. This kit comes with by default DVI VGA board, keyboard wire, screen wire harness, 5-button keyboard, invert LED wire harness, LED driver, and the screen. That's all included. You also have the option to upgrade with the different pricing for the one with the HDMI, DVI, and amplifier audio amps. So let's take a look. Turn on the meter here. Let's measure the first measurement, 1154. Usually I measure 3 times, and then 1142, 1145. So we call it, our LED kit part number is MS150RUBLCDKIT1000. Thank you for watching.